how to connect your N8N MCP with N8N step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to walk you through a step-by-step process to how to connect your N8N MCP directly to your N8N, so you can start automating workflows like pro. First, I will show you exactly how to set up this connection from scratch. Then once is everything linked, you will see how it create a workflow automatically, and we will demonstrate a simple example by creating a simple workflow. So let's get started. First thing first, what you need is an N8N account. If you haven't created any N8N account, just go into description and click on that link. You will get 15 days free trial. The second thing you need is N8N MCP GitHub repository. So I will give this repository link in the description. So if you don't find this link in the description, just go into your browser and search for CZ Longkoski N8N MCP. If I forgive me if I am pronouncing his name wrong. So this man is created this N8N MCP. So yeah. So if you go, you will see a lot of things like overview, important and safety warning, and how you can install by yourself. So then third thing you need is Docker. So we can just install this N8N MCP into our Docker instance. So just you have to download this Docker desktop on your laptop or desktop. It is free. Just go and download it. Now, third thing you need to have is a Cloud desktop app. As you can see, I have already downloaded and I'm using free plan. And first thing what I want to mention here, if you want if you want to work a lot like with an MCP, you have to upgrade. So you cannot go with the free plan because it has limitations. So you cannot work with it. Now, just let me show you. I have connected this N8N MCP. So there are 6 nodes over here. So let's get started and I will show you how you can simply connect everything together. So first thing first, what you need to do is go into description and access this N8N repository. And if you go scroll down a little bit, you will find everything how to set up to the Docker version, how to set up with this npx thing. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this option to is Docker and easy to isolate it. So I will use this Docker version. So first we will pull this dependencies. So it is like a 280 MB bigger. So I will just copy this and I will open my terminal. You can say, so okay. So you have to just open your terminal and paste this code over here. And let's hit enter. So it will download our N8N MCP. As you can see here, it is installing. Now we have successfully pulled our image. So let's go into our Docker and check if we have pulled our image or not. So, okay. Right now it is not showing. Oh, okay. There we go. We have successfully pulled our image over here. As you can see, N8N MCP. So it means we have downloaded our N8N MCP into our Docker desktop. Now, next thing what you need to do is just scroll down a little bit and you have to copy this full configuration. So you have like basically 2 options, like basic configuration where you will get documentation tools only. But if you go with the full configuration, you have to you have with the N8N management tool. So there are a lot of things and a lot of advantage of full configuration. So I will just copy this. Now, next thing what you need to do is open our Cloud. So just I will open my Cloud, click on this open button. And as you can see, we have successfully opened our Cloud. So let me just resize it so you can see. So, okay, here we go. So click on these 3 lines over here from the top left corner. Just simply click on it. And from there, you have to go to files or you can hover on it. And then you have to go to settings. Now, after that, you have to go to developer. And the setting you have to find developer. You will find your developer option in the bottom. Just click on that. And from there, you have to go to edit config. Just click on this edit config. It will take you to this page where you have to customize the code of Claude Desktop. Just simply click on it and then right click on this file, which is Claude Desktop config.json. So I will just right click and click on this edit in Notepad. So I have okay, I have set up a different MCP node over here. So I will just remove this and paste over here. So now what we need is our API key and then N8N API URL. So how you are going to find this? So just go to your N8N instance. So for the API, so if you are using Claude version over here, so you have to have Pro version. You can't just get your API key. But earlier I used to get my API key in the free trial, but I don't think so you will get, but you can try. If you find your API key, then it is good. So I will just click on this T button and then click on this setting. So let me just save this. And from there, you can see there is an option of N8N API. Just click on it. And from here, you have to click on this create an API key. Click on this create API key, and then you have to give a label. For example, I will say MCP Claude. And then you have to set up the expiration. Let's say I will say no expiration. From here, you have to add scope. Right now, it is by default, it has added all the necessary scopes over here. So after figuring all of this, just simply click on the save. You will get this API key created. Just copy this and get back to your notepad and replace your N8N API key with this. Now, N8N for N8N API URL. So what you need to do if you are using Docker version. So let me show you. Just go and as you can see, if you are running N8N locally on the same machine via Docker, you use this HTTP host Docker internal 5678. So as the N8N API URL. But if you are using the Claude version, so what you can do is go to your N8N instance and copy this URL. So you just copy this much. For example, this is not this is my hosted version, so I'm not be able to show you. You have to copy the N8N dashboard, something like that. So I will copy now this much for the hosted version and get back to my edit config. Let me replace this. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added all the details over here. Then what you need to do is click on the save button, save. After that, you have to restart the Claude. Let me just restart this. You have to totally restart the Claude because when Claude is restart and when you open, it will find his config file. In that config file, we have added our N8N MCP, so he can call it. Now just click on this Claude and then click on the open button. And as you can see, it is searching his config file. It will take few seconds for you if you're a new user. Now it doesn't give us any errors. So it means it has successfully connected successfully. Now to check whether it is connected, you have to click on this three, or you can say search and tools, and then you will find this N8N MCP. If you get 39 tools, it means you have successfully connected your N8N instance, or sorry, N8N MCP with your Claude. Now let's make a workflow here by giving a construction. There are two ways mainly. You can either create a JSON file, or you can just simply tell the Claude to generate a workflow. So in my case, what we are going to do is I'll just simply, let's say, I will say create a workflow. So I will just add a prompt, a simple prompt. You are an N8N N8N workflow creator, and your job is to create N8N workflow. So I will give just simple workflow. Let me think. I will create a workflow name test. So you have to use three, three to four nodes where I will add a topic and then it will generate the script using that topic. So just for give a little context, because I'm using free version, so uh, I want to just finish this as soon as possible. So I will say that use chat triggered node first, then AI agent. In the AI agent, add prompt to create script. So I have created this workflow. So sorry, prompt. So I will just simply send it. Let's see if it work or not. So it will ask us a permission. I will create. As you can see, it will ask you. So you have to give allows. I will create an editing workflow called test workflow that takes the topic. So it will. You have to just allow once and once. So chat trigger. He found the chat triggered. Now let's search AI agent, and then he finds the AI agent. Now just say me allow, and again we will allow. Let's check if it has created or not. So still it doesn't created any workflow till now. So let's wait for a few seconds. So it will take few seconds because we are using Plot Sonnet 4. So yeah, you have to upgrade for that if you are like if you are creating more complex workflow. It takes a lot of power to do that. And as you can see, it generated so perfect. I have successfully created a workflow called test workflow with the ID. So he has given this ID, so we will copy this ID, and let me just restart this. Let's see if it has created or not. As you can see here, it has created this test workflow. Let's see. So as you can see, we have successfully created but like I don't have added anything more here. I have not added the chat triggered. I haven't added AI agent and not even this node. So it basically created everything and it has given us this JSON file as well. And now let's test this model. So I have already created credential for Google Gemini. So let's see how AI agent has been. Okay, so I will give let's say Elon Musk it space X Mars mission, and then just enter and see if it works or not. So wait for a few seconds. It is working. Now, as you can see here, we have successfully generated our output. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, damn. It's created long output. To be honest, it's great. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question related to this, just comment it down below. I will give a response to that. And yeah, you can do a lot of things with it, but you need to have the Plot subscription. You can create a like shorter workflows using the free version, but I guess you need to have a like Pro Plus. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.